Super excited. Another day, another video. Stay safe. I hope you stay safe and look after yourself. In today's video we have something cool, something nice today. We have the Beats Solo Pro. I had this product more than a month. So in today's video I will talk about this Solo Pro. If this is gonna be your purchase headphones style. So let's start with the video. Tuesday with Stefan. We have the Solo Pro over-ear style headphones. First impressions, the build quality is great. They're not flimsy and breakable like previous generation. Fun fact, probably you know, but Apple bought Beats, I think for $3 billion. So now this is a very good seller point if you have Apple device, but this in a minute. Let's talk about the build quality. Build quality is great. I do like the build quality. Is on point, quite comfortable. Many people was complaining that they're not very comfortable, but to be honest, I don't have any problems. As you can see, I wear glasses and fits pretty perfectly on my head, and there's no problem. I can move, I can do exercises, so fit perfectly. And also, if you have a big head, you can adjust your style pretty easy. What else? I like the color is pretty good actually. Okay, one cool fact is that if you want to switch the headphones off, you just fold it this way and now the headphones are off. How to switch the headphones on? Very simple, just unfold and they're ready to connect. For Android users, you need to download the Beats app, and I'm gonna show you in the app a couple of settings. Let's double check the digital app that comes with. It's called Beats. This is only for Android users, so if you're Apple user, you don't need the app. The Solo Pro connects automatically via H1 chip. So when you connect to the app, already I connect my Solo Pro with my Pixel XL 2. The first thing that we can see here is the percentage. As you can see, 52%. Also, you can name your Solo Pro. We have only 3 options. Unfortunately, there's no many options in the app. The only thing is missing, I think, is the equalizer to set up your own music, to customize the music, but unfortunately there's no there. Only 3 options. So we have the noise cancelling on, we have the noise cancelling off, and also we have the transparency mode. And that's it pretty much. There's no other options in the app. As you can see, explore, you can rename your Solo Pro, and that's it pretty much. So yeah, it's not fun app, but I think this is more that you need, so you don't need more than that. But the only thing I wish they was include was the equalizer. Okay, so let's go back to the studio. Let's talk about the sound quality. Sound quality is pretty good. This is the pretty good actually. Sound quality is nice. It's not bassy like the previous generation. Sound quality is pretty good actually. I was surprised. In this video you'll see many surprises. And also they have active noise cancelling. Yes, Beats with active noise cancelling. And again, I was surprised. The noise cancelling is pretty good as well. And sound quality is good. The noise cancelling is on point. The price is about $250 USA. In UK is about 30 to 150 pounds, which is similar price. But they're pretty good actually. Sound quality is good, noise cancelling is good. Battery life 22 hours with ANC, which is pretty good. 22 hours is too much, I think. It's not too much, but it's good if you're on a long flight. That's good. Also, they have like a fast charging, so if you charge them for 10 minutes, you have about 3 hours playtime, I think. But overall, pretty good. Why this is market for Beats users? I'm gonna tell you why. For Apple users, you don't need the app, you just connect automatically due to the H1 chip. So this is the same chip that you have in your AirPods. H1 chip, super easy, switch your Bluetooth on and they connect automatically, and you can adjust all the settings. It's not a problem for me, but there's no equalizer to set up your music, which is not a big thing for me. We have a physical buttons here, volume up, volume down, skip. If you press the B, you can answer phone call, and that's it pretty much. Also charges via lightning connector, which is for Apple users is pretty good. Overall, I like the Beats Solo Pro, so I think you'll be happy as well. Definitely I recommend. In terms of music, on point, noise cancelling on point, build quality on point. So definitely I recommend the Beats Solo Pro. I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Stefan and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe.